Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this 3-in-1 wireless charging station, which I've been testing for about a week, and I will actually be sharing the top 3 reasons to actually get this. Of course, a huge shout out to the company, EISREHO, for actually sending me this to actually test and review, even though they actually sent me one set to actually test and review. But what I'm actually going to say are actually my personal thoughts. The company actually has no involvement in whatever that I'm going to say. They're actually seeing this video the very first time as you. So if you missed the unboxing of this item, do click here. See the unboxing and then come back to this video to see what I have to say about this item. So without further ado, let's get into the top 3 reasons why you should be getting this item. So reason number 1, it actually replaces 3 separate charging cables into one. As you can see from here, this part is actually for you to actually place your phone. You can put it vertically or you can put it horizontally. It actually charges the phone in both directions. Besides that, there is also this port which is actually meant for your Apple Watch, if you're an Apple Watch user. Another one is actually hidden behind this fast charging port, which is actually meant for your other devices, such as earbuds. Right? It doesn't need to be Apple AirPods, it can be any other wireless earbuds, which actually comes with wireless Qi charging. The second reason, it actually helps to declutter your charging area because it actually replaces 3 cables. Before this, my charging area is very messy. There are like 3 cables, one for my iPhone, one for the Apple Watch, and another one is actually meant for earbuds. But this one, it actually replaces 3 cables. Alright, it actually declutter my entire area and it makes it nicer. It makes it very simple, easy on the eye, alright, and it's not so messy with all the cables all over the place. Reason number 3 is that this item is not very expensive. On Amazon, it's only around $30. 3-in-1, it charges your smartphone, your Apple Watch, and behind is actually for your other devices which supports wireless Qi charging. If you're on Amazon, you will get further discounts. Let's say you have some coupons and this kind of stuff, it will actually reduce the price even further. I would say that this wireless charging station is perfect, right? Whether it's actually for yourself or it's actually for a gift. If you know someone who really needs such an item, this would be a perfect gift, alright? So there you have it. This is actually my personal review of the 3-in-1 charging station from EISREHO, alright, and the top 3 reasons why you should get it. If you wish to check it out, I'll drop the link down in the description below for you to actually click on it. Alright guys, so that's all the time we have. My name is Johnny and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!